Oh my goodness, guys, check this out. This is by far the most unique build that we at Carolina Custom Homes have ever done. So we're over here in Reidsville, North Carolina today, and we're gonna be walking you through this absolute beauty. I don't even know where to start with this thing. So let me give you some background information. This homeowner owns a wedding venue. So this is gonna be used out here at the wedding venue. It's going to be a place for brides and grooms to get ready and hang out in and all that good stuff. But I mean, absolutely stunning. This is a completely custom floor plan. We've got 1,400 square feet on the bottom and about 900 up top. But just the stonework, that beautiful front door, I just absolutely love it. So there's a lot of things I want to point out today. I hope I don't forget any, but you see the stonework here on this kind of bump out area? Well, the rest of the home is actually stucco. So you can see that textured stucco there on the house. You've got that stone foundation down there on the bottom tying in the stonework here on that entrance area, bump out type thing, but absolutely stunning. You wait till you see the view off the back. I just love this. Big lantern lights by that front entryway. Got the wrought iron handrails there. Beautiful stone staircase going up to this. But wow, I mean, just incredible. All right, so let's get in here and check this out. Love this front door. Wow. So just a big open concept here on this main living area, or main level. You're gonna open that door to your living area. Got the beautiful gas fireplace there. I'm gonna turn around and pan to the front door there. So again, this will be used as a wedding venue or a place at the wedding venue. So it's not gonna be set up as traditional, you know, as most of my videos. But just a beautiful, beautiful exterior and interior. So this was built by Nationwide Homes there in Martinsville, Virginia. Again, it is a complete custom plan, so I don't even really want to put a name on it. Let's just call it the custom plan. But so many windows. You got 3 windows there. Those windows off the front. So much natural light. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. And now that is going to open up to your kitchen on the right and dining on the left. Now my favorite part of this house is this right here. Look at that. Just a wall of glass there leading you into that composite deck there overlooking the water. Just beautiful. High-end finishes from the stonework to that composite decking I just talked about. We've got some granite tops here in the kitchen. No expense was spared. On to the kitchen. A few things that I love about this kitchen is that big double window there over the sink. You don't see that a lot. It's usually going to be a single window, so that's really nice, bringing in more of those water views. Love that. You've seen this stainless steel farmhouse sink a bunch of my other videos, but got the big single bowl farmhouse sink. Granite tops. They ran the full ceramic backsplash up to one of our 3 included range hoods. White is one of your included cabinet colors. You got some big pantry cabinets here. Fridge. This is a half bath, and then this is your water heater closet here. Water heater, and then the half bath. All right. And the first of the bedrooms, the only bedroom here on the main level. So many windows. 2 single windows, got the big double window, all giving you those great views of the water there. They did include the 2-inch blinds through us. These are going to be Nationwide's included 2-panel doors. Just got the 2 squares or rectangles there on that door. Great example of that. This is a great example of the Nationwide Craftsman trim. So instead of that rolled 45-degree cut casings around your doors and windows, this is the old Craftsman style. Okay. And just a huge bathroom. So over here on the left, we've got a bifold door. Oh, there's your washer and dryer. Okay. And then you've got our 4x6 shower. This is the one without a door. So you got that doorless 4x6 shower. They did include a shampoo shelf. They did not run the tile to the ceiling. They took out the rain head and just have the wand there. Those are all little things we're going to talk about when designing that shower. I'm guessing this is the water closet or toilet room here. All of our toilets will come elongated. If you want the taller ADA height, that is something we offer as well. Double vanity sink. Now this is something to think about. We offer the lighted mirrors, okay? But if you didn't want to get them through us, but did want power ran there for potential lighted mirrors later, there you go. Go ahead and get the outlets on the wall for that. Very well thought out. So again, this is a complete custom plan. We're at like 1,400 square feet on the bottom and then another 900 square feet up top. But just a beautiful open concept. Huge doors and tons of windows. Absolutely love it. Got to be one of my favorite exteriors that we've ever done. All right, so let's get upstairs. They're in the process of finishing the upstairs. So it's not going to be completely finished or clean up here, but I want to take you up here anyway. So all this is finished on site. This would be an unfinished attic until we or you come up here and actually put the sheetrock up and run the electrical and all that stuff. But just gives you an idea of what you can do. Just tons of space up here. Again, roughly 1,000 square feet. Check that out. And then it looks like over here, they may leave this unfinished for storage, which is always a good idea. So you don't have to finish it all. If you want to have some true storage, that's something you can think about. And then here's an additional bathroom. Now there's no lights up here yet, so I can't really show you much. But you've got a real nice shower, which I'm sure you cannot see. And then your toilet and sink and stuff over here. So sorry about that, but you get the idea of what you can do with something like this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna drop down my email right now, shields@nccustommodulars.com. I am running a special promotion with anybody that builds a house through me from my YouTube. So if you contact me from this video, please mention that you are from YouTube. I do not want you to miss out on my promotion. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit different than what you're typically going to see on my channel. Again, this is going to be used at a wedding venue for a place for the bride and grooms to hang out, get ready, and all that good stuff before the wedding. But just gives you an insight to what we can do. I mean, there is really no limit to it. I always tell people we're really custom builders. We just use, modulars to do that custom building. So, and I always tell people, a lot of people, buy the modular process, building process, far before they find a plan. So there's no end to what you can do. And I hope you enjoyed today's walkthrough, guys. Thank you. Take care.